We're learning more from a confession tape in the second day of a trial for an Austin mother accused of abandoning her baby in a dumpster. Althea Johnson has been tearful in court today as the lead detective in her case gave hours of detailed testimony. KXAN's Jacqueline Powell is live outside the courtroom where jurors are hearing from Johnson's mother right now.
Robert, we heard again from that detective for about 5 hours today. Her mother just took the stand a few minutes ago, and so far she's just been giving some background about Johnson's previous pregnancies, that she's had a lot of trouble in them, a miscarriage once that almost turned deadly, and that in one of her pregnancies with one of her children that was born before this baby, she didn't even know she was pregnant, the mother says, until she went to the hospital in pain and had the baby there. Now, in this case, Johnson's attorney is arguing that she didn't know she was pregnant and that she doesn't even remember giving birth. But today, I listened to Johnson's own words dispute that. I watched that confession tape where Johnson was interviewed by a child abuse detective a couple of weeks after the baby was found, and she told him details about giving birth, recalling being in a lot of pain, going in her bathroom, and having the baby. And then she talked about going outside after and eventually admitted to putting her baby in the dumpster. She told the detective she was hopeful that someone else might be able to take care of the baby, and she said she was even a little relieved when she saw fire trucks arrive because she knew the baby would be okay. Now, even with that confession, Johnson's attorney is questioning whether detectives might have pushed Johnson too far, forcing her to confess. The defense is suggesting that the baby's father, who was there at the time, could have done it, but the judge isn't letting defense attorneys focus on that because he says there's no evidence to actually support that claim. Now, also important, the detective has been clear that both Johnson's mother and boyfriend at the time say they had suspicions that she was pregnant. He says her mother confronted her about that more than once. She told us twice, even though Johnson's attorney said that she had no idea that she was carrying a baby until it was born.